How to fix Discord. Awaiting endpoint error, 4 ways. Way 1. Change server region on Discord. The current Discord server may be down or not working. You can try to change the server region on Discord and check if it works. You can open Discord app on your computer. Click the Discord server that you can't connect to. Click the down arrow icon next to the server name and click Server Settings. Click Overview option in the left panel. Under Server Overview, find Server Region and click Change to select another server region. Check if the awaiting endpoint Discord error has been fixed. Way 2. Check your network connections. The Discord awaiting endpoint 2023 issue may be also caused by network connection issues. You can try the solutions below to check and fix internet connection issues. Reset TCP/IP on Windows 10. Try to connect a VPN and check if it fixes this Discord error. Related, VPN not connecting Windows 10. Other ways to troubleshoot internet connection issues. Way 3. Update Discord app. You can also try to update Discord app to see if it can help solve the Discord stuck on awaiting endpoint problem. To update Discord app, you can open Discord and press Ctrl+R to refresh and update it. Way 4. Reinstall Discord app. If nothing helps, then you can try to uninstall Discord and reinstall Discord to fix this error. Check how to do it below. Click Start, Settings, Apps, Apps and Features. Scroll down in the right window. Find and click Discord. Click Uninstall button to uninstall Discord. Then go to Discord official website to download and install the latest version of Discord on your computer. Check if the Discord awaiting endpoint error is fixed. And that's it. Those are 4 easy ways to fix the awaiting endpoint error on Discord. I hope one of these methods worked for you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Got any questions or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.